Good morning Year 3 and welcome to your Thursday morning maths lesson. Now today, Mully, you'll remember Mully, is hiding behind different numbers and we have to work them out. So he's hiding behind different multiples, but you're not allowed to go beyond a certain number. So the first question is that he is hiding behind a multiple of 4 without going past 55. So we need to work out which multiple of 4 he could be hiding behind without going past 55. Now, you could do as I've done and written out my 4s all the way up, or you could use multiplication facts that you already know. So for example, we all know that 10 times 4 is 40, so we could start all the way there because 40 is not gone over 55, but it's nearer 55 than starting at 4, so I could quite quickly jump there. We all love the 11 times table, so we know that 11 times 4 is 44. That's still not 55, so I could start there. I know that 12 times 4 is 48. I think I could keep going. I know that 13 times 4 is 52 because I've got to 48 and I've added another 4, so the 30th multiple must be 52. I'm getting close now and I've only got 4. I can add 4 to 52. I think I'm going to go over, but I'm just going to check. So 14 times 4 is 56, so the 14th multiple of 4 is 56. That's too high, that's more than 55. So the answer to this question must be 13, the 13th multiple of 4, which is 52, because that's the nearest I can get to 55 without going over. So I have written it out and I have checked for accuracy. I could do it mentally and then write it out just to check, a bit like I ask you to do the inverse sometimes, just to check your answers are accurate. You could do this mentally, but then just write it out just to double check that you are accurate in your answer. So the next question is that Mully is now hiding behind a multiple of 7. So we're working with a 7 times table, and we cannot go past 88 this time. So again, I have actually written out all my 7s because it doesn't do me any harm to write them out every day. You can never know your times tables too well or too quickly. There's just no such thing. So you could write them out and enjoy doing so. Or again, you could use your known multiplication facts to help you out. So again, I would probably start at 10 times 7, which is 70, and 11 times 7, which is 77. I haven't got to 88 yet. I feel that I could 77 add 7. I think I've got some room because there's 11 between 77 and 88, and 7 is less. So I'm going to add on another 7. So 77 add 7, were you there before me, is 84. I'm just double checking, is 84. Is 84. So our 12th multiple of 7 is 84. I can't go over 88. 4 and 8 is only 4 apart, and I'm working with the 7 times table, so I'm not going to have enough room to add on another multiple, but I'm just going to check. 13 times 7 is 91, so I have gone over the 88, so I was right. It is the 12th multiple, is the multiple that Mully must be hiding behind, because that's the nearest I can get to 88 using the 7 times table without going over it. Okay, let's do one more, and then you're going to do these independently. So this time Mully is hiding behind a multiple of 2 without going over 35. So again, I have written my 2 times table out. I also know that when I'm working in a 2 times table, it's doubles. I know that 35 is not in the 2 times table because it is an odd number, and therefore I'm going to be 1 before it, I'm guessing. So I could think, well, 1 before it is 34. What's half of 34 is 17, because I know my division facts as well as my times table facts. Or I could work it out a bit more systematically. So I could again go to 10 times 2 is 20. That's way off. And 11 times 2, because we always love our 11 times tables, I keep saying, is 22. That's still way off, but I could count from there quite quickly in 2s. which would not be a bad thing. I know that 15 times 2 is 30. That's getting closer. I can't go over 36, so I might start with my 15 times 2. And eventually work out that 17 times 2 is 34. Whichever way, however you want to work that out, you might just know it. And again, like I say, write it out just to check. So the multiple that he must be hiding behind is the 17th multiple of 2, which is 34, which makes him not go over the number 35. I hope that makes sense. Enjoy, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.